What's going on, guys? Stefan down at Victory Nissan, and I wanted to show you our 2018 Honda CR-V. This is the EX trim level, all-wheel drive variant. Seats have been well taken care of. Got your Bluetooth, comes equipped with the backup camera as well. 14,000 miles on it currently, so it still has plenty of its factory warranty still intact. Parking brakes right there, release right there, and you have eco mode to make sure you're optimizing your fuel economy. And a quick little walk around to the outside. Comes equipped with the alloys. It's a 2018 variant, also the all-wheel drive. Vehicle's been well taken care of, and it could be yours today. Make sure you come down to Victory Nissan and ask for Stefan.